In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice accent in ElevenLabs. We'll keep it simple. Start by heading to the ElevenLabs homepage. From the left sidebar, select Text-to-Speech. That's where all the voice controls live. Once you're on the text-to-speech screen, open Settings. This panel is where you fine-tune how the voice behaves. Inside Settings, go to the Voice section. Here, you'll see options that shape pronunciation and character. First, open languages. Choosing a language tells the system which pronunciation rules and phonetics to follow. Pick the language that matches the text you plan to use. If your script is in one language but you select a different one here, you may hear odd pronunciations or emphasis, so aligning them keeps results natural. If the list is long, use the search bar or scroll. The choice applies to your current voice setup. Next, open Accent. Accents adjust regional flavor within the language you just chose. For example, you might keep the same language but switch to a regional accent for a different tone or audience. When you browse accents, think about clarity and familiarity for your listeners. Some accents can feel warmer or more formal depending on your project. Now select the accent you want. Click the option you prefer to apply it. The setting takes effect right away inside this page, so you can switch between options to compare how they sound without leaving settings. If an accent isn't available for the language you picked, return to the languages list and choose a related language that supports the accent style you're after. That's it. You went to text-to-speech, opened settings, selected voice, chose your language, then picked your accent and confirmed the one you want. Keep these choices aligned with your script and audience, and you'll get a natural, consistent result every time.